Hello everyone, I am Shweta Verma. In this video, we will discuss how we can remove background from any image. If you are using Photoshop, then it is a kind of easy task. You can simply use magic eraser tool and you can remove the background. But when you are using Illustrator, it is kind of tricky. Today I was needed to remove a background from some image, but I didn't find any proper YouTube tutorial, so I decided to make my own video. So for that you have to visit any browser and just type vector images or line vector of something and then download it or just copy it. Here I am using this line vector. Just right click on it and click on copy image. Then open your Illustrator. It will take some time. Now just press Ctrl+V from your keyboard. Resize your screen. Now crop it to remove extra part from the image that you don't want in your final image. Now click on image trace and click on default, and now click on expand. Now press Y from your keyboard and then go to Windows and click on magic wand tool. You will find it there. Now make tolerance 1 and now click on the background. Here it is white, so click on the white portion and press delete from your keyboard. See, now your background is removed properly and you can use this image as the vector. You can fill any color you want, you can increase the stroke, anything you want to do. Here like you can also apply some gradient to it, and now you can resize it and use it anywhere. That's all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching everyone, and do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.